Hey there, mind detectives. Welcome back to the channel. Love is a beautiful thing, but let's face it, relationships can get messy sometimes. Words, especially hurtful ones, can leave a lasting scar. Today, we're diving deep into 11 phrases that could signal trouble in paradise. Number 11. Your hobby is lame. Everyone has passions. When your partner puts down something you love, it's a red flag. A healthy relationship fosters respect for each other's interests. Imagine spending your free time with someone who constantly belittles your love for birdwatching or your dedication to playing the ukulele. Not exactly a recipe for a happy couple. Remember, a good partner encourages you to grow and pursue your passions even if they don't fully understand them. Number 10. I deserve this. A constant sense of entitlement is a major turnoff. Real connections are built on mutual respect and support, not keeping score. Maybe your partner expects the fanciest restaurants, the most expensive gifts, or constant praise. This constant me-first attitude creates an imbalanced dynamic. A healthy relationship is about give and take, appreciating each other, and working together to build a happy life. Number 9. It's nothing. Dismissing your concerns is a recipe for disaster. Open communication is key. Let's say you notice your partner acting distant or secretive. You express your concern, but they brush it off with a dismissive, "It's nothing." This shuts down communication and creates a breeding ground for mistrust. Remember, healthy relationships are built on being open and honest with each other, even about the tough stuff. Number 8. My ex was crazy. Blaming past relationships for current problems is a red flag. Everyone has baggage, but healthy communication helps navigate it together. Maybe your partner constantly brings up how crazy their ex was, using it as an excuse for their own bad behavior. This deflects responsibility and paints a picture of someone who struggles with healthy relationships. Number 7. None of your business. Healthy relationships require open communication. If your partner shuts you down when you express concerns about their finances, their behavior with friends, or something else that worries you, it could be a sign of deeper issues. A good partner is willing to listen to your concerns and work towards solutions together. Number 6. You're just insecure. Labeling your concerns as insecurity undermines your feelings. Trust is essential. Maybe you express discomfort with your partner constantly flirting with others. They dismiss your feelings, calling you insecure. This manipulative tactic makes you question your own intuition and can seriously damage trust in the relationship. Number 5. You're too sensitive. Your feelings are valid. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. A healthy relationship fosters emotional support and understanding. Maybe you're upset by something your partner said and they respond with a dismissive, "You're too sensitive." This invalidates your feelings and can make you feel like you're overreacting. Remember, a good partner listens to you, validates your emotions, and tries to understand your perspective. Number 4. I can't live without you. This might sound romantic in movies, but in real life, it's a red flag. Healthy love allows space for independence while strengthening the bond. Maybe your partner constantly talks about how they need you and wouldn't know what to do without you. This creates an unhealthy codependency and can be smothering. True love allows space for individual growth while strengthening the connection you share. Number 3. I paid for dinner last time. Keeping score about who pays is a surefire way to kill the romance. True partnerships are built on shared experiences, not financial calculations. Maybe your partner constantly keeps track of who paid for what, expecting you to reciprocate exactly or even one-up you. This creates a transactional dynamic that sucks the joy out of spending time together. A healthy relationship is about shared experiences, generosity, and building a life together, not keeping a financial tally. Number 2. If you actually loved me. Love shouldn't be used as a weapon. Manipulation tactics like guilt trips create an unhealthy dynamic. Maybe you disagree with your partner about something, and they respond with a guilt-tripping, "If you actually loved me, you'd do this for me." This manipulative tactic makes you feel responsible for their happiness and undermines your own needs and desires. A healthy relationship is built on mutual respect and open communication, not manipulation. And the number one phrase guaranteed to end your relationship: be a man. This dismissive and demeaning phrase undermines your partner's masculinity. True partnerships lift each other up. Maybe your partner uses this phrase whenever you express emotions or disagree with them. This reinforces harmful stereotypes and creates a power imbalance. A healthy relationship fosters open communication, respects your partner's individuality, and celebrates your strengths, regardless of gender role.